Hey everyone, so I've got my Hedge trimmer here. Now this was sent to me so I could go ahead and show you everything it comes with. We're going to go over the features of this and then I'll give you a demonstration. So it does come with two batteries. Both of them are lithium ion, 20 volt. What I like on the back side here, you can press this red button. It's going to tell you how much battery life is left. And it's also got its charger. The charger plugs directly into the battery. Also, we've got our Hedge trimmer itself. Now I've got the other battery installed in here already. It does come with a cover right here, and it's got a safety feature. To actually make this work, you've got to press this, squeeze it, and also press the handle. The blades here, these are actually 22 inches. The blades themselves are half an inch across. It does have a guard right here, so it's real easy to hold. It doesn't weigh much at all, right around 6 pounds. But that'll definitely go ahead and chop off my leaves and the branches, just make the job real easy. I like the way it looks too. This is rubber right through here, so it's easy to go ahead and grip. And then we've got rubber covered here, so yellow and black. So I've got a lot of these types of plants around my property, and this is just really too thick for my weed trimmer, but with this, it's not a problem at all. I mean, look at that. It takes it down real easy. I mean, this makes the job real easy. I especially like this is 22 inches long, so that way if I'm having to reach up really high, it gives me a good reach. Easy to use, nice and lightweight, and it comes with two batteries.